Grade 4's hello. You are going to we are going to talk about babies of animals. You have a picture like this. You can go and find it quickly. And then mine has one colored picture of a turkey. But yours is not in color, it's black and white. So if you go and find it, then you can press the play again. So press pause, go and fetch your paper that looks like this, and then you come back and press the play again. Right, and then we are going to measure our page again. The edge of the ruler you may not use, but only that first line. So you put the first line on the margin. I'm going to make it bigger. This phone I have is newer, so you can see clearer what I do there. See, the line is on the red the first line of the ruler is on the red line. You mark the 6 and you mark the 12, and then again and move the book a bit. The first line of the ruler, not the edge, the first line, it goes on the red line. You can see it there. And also make a mark at the 6 and then at the 12. And you will see the 2 dots there, and the 2 dots there you can, I'm going to make it shorter now, smaller. You join the dots and roll it down there, and join the dots and roll it down there. So you will see now, you are going to write, the first one is dog, and there's only one line, dog. What do we call a baby dog? A puppy. And because the dog there's only one pup, some other animals also have pups, but we're not going to talk about that yet. Mongooses, I watch the TV show Wild Earth Safari as much as I can, or as many times as I can. Sorry for the sound. And they call mongooses, not mangeese, but mongooses, and they also have pups. And I think meerkat, they also have pups, I think. So, but for now, we're going to stick with a dog, puppy. And because number 1 has only one line, you rule off. Then you write number 2, cat. Number 2, cat. And cat is also one line. Then you rule off again. You get to number 3. Now number 3 has got 1, 2, 3 words. It is hen, ostrich, penguin. There are 3. And because there are 3, after 3 words, you rule off. Number 4 is goose. And goose is also 1. Goose. And because there's only 1 word there, with a baby like called gosling. And number 5 is also alone, goat. So after 1 word, you rule off. Horse. You get other animals also that can have a foal. Okay, let me see, 6. I think a giraffe and a zebra, they also have foals. But we're going to stick with the horse. Its baby is called a foal. And because there's only 1, you rule off after 1 word. Number 7, there are 4 words. Lion, cheetah, bear. We don't have bears in South Africa, but bears also have cubs and tigers. We have leopards and, on the Wild Earth Safari Live. I wish you could go and watch those, because you will on most days, on most drives, they have the big 5, which you are going to talk about soon. So a tiger. And after the 4 words there at number 7, you rule off. Number 8 is cow, elephant, I just wrote that to save some time on the video. So it is cow, elephant, kudu, oryx, and you see there are no lines, so you just carry on with a line like that to the bottom and over there also. Okay, now after oryx, you rule off. Then number 9, you have duck. And there's only 1 word on this list. There may be other ducklings also in the world, but for now we'll stick to duck. Number 10 is sheep. You also get lambs, springbuck and impalas and so on. They also have lambs. So sheep is only 1 word, and you don't have to rule off because that's the last space. On the next page, you also number again. I'll do that quickly. I'm going to press the pause, and I'm going to do that because you should know by now how to make the lines. So we stopped at number 10, which was sheep. Number 11 is pig. You rule off. Number 11. Number 10 was sheep. Number 11 is pig. Number 12 is fish. So I pressed the pause and I just finished this. Number 11 is pig. Number 12 is fish. 13 spider. 14 turkey. 15 toad or frog. We talk about frogs here in South Africa normally. And then you rule off. Now, to practice to write the baby animals, you're going to look on this page and fill it in there, like cat is kitten, hen is chick, ostrich is chick, and penguin is chick, like there. So you can write it here in the middle maybe. Okay, then you carry on with goose, kid, let me see, there. Goose, goose, gosling, goat, kid, horse, foal, lion or cub, cheetah cub, bear cub, tiger cub. You can write it here in the middle, either there, or on top, or you can write cub at all of them. Cow, elephant, kudu, oryx, calf, like a cow, ne? Duck, duckling, sheep, lamb, pig, piglet, fish, a fry. Did you know that? Fish, fry, spider, spiderling, turkey, poult. Can you believe that? Did you know that? It's because all the farm animals that are birds, they call poultry. 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 So, turkey is a poult, the baby of a turkey. A toad or a frog, the baby is a tadpole. Tadpole. So you write tadpole over there or over there. And then in this column, I want you to draw the pictures for me, nice pictures. You know what a poppy looks like. You know what a kitten looks like. Almost like the ducklings, but they don't have these flat feet and the flat beak. No? A kitten also, you don't know what that looks like. A goose, there. I have more or less the difference between a duck and a goose and an ostrich and a turkey. But the turkey is not the same, hasn't got a chick for a baby, but a poult. So you can draw anything, the ostrich, the duck, or the goose with the goslings, goat, a kid. You can look up a farm goat, is a kid. Horse, you will find a foal there. Lion, cheetah, bear, cub, you draw there. Cow or elephant or kudu or oryx babies, they are called a calf, and you draw any of those. You can even draw all of those babies. A duck, there is the duck with the ducklings. Sheep, pig, draw a piglet or a pig, whatever, a pig and a piglet. Fish is a what? What is the baby of a fish? A fry. Spider, spiderling. Spiders make me get goosebumps. Turkey, poult. Turkey babies are also, they don't have that red thing yet. And they look like ducklings or goslings, but they have a brownish bare head and a sharpish big beak. You can even look on the internet or in some of the books you have what a poult looks like. or just draw the big turkey, a toad and a frog. You can draw the whole life cycle if you want to. This is actually a nice picture, and this is the life cycle. The frog lays eggs, the eggs hatch. In there, it looks like this. The little tadpole is in there. These great heap, bunch of strings of eggs, and out comes the tadpole, and it grows and grows and grows into a frog. So this is the life cycle of a frog, and in between there is a tadpole. So you can do this for me till we see each other somewhere during the week. Bye bye. Thanks for listening.